Hey, I want to show you how to use Adobe Express here to remove the background of an image. This is Adobe Express. It's an iPad app, and I'm doing this on my iPad. It is a really cool little program. You can use it for creating, you can see Instagram, different posts, thumbnails, whatever. But just a quick show you here. Adobe Express, there's a free version, and there's the premium, which is what I'm using. It's $100 a year, so it's not a huge break the bank type of thing. But again, background, remove it. So when you hit the plus on the bottom, we can go to our photos and find a photo and use this one right here and add that. Then I can go and change it to whatever size I want it for different social media. I'm going to go to the original for this application, and then I would click done. I don't want the text on it, so I just go click on the text and hit the delete. There's my image. Now, to go and remove the background, I just tap on the image, and then there's a remove background that pops up. I click on that, and boom, it's gone. I could change the color of the background if I want to, but it is gone. So we can zoom in a little bit, and you can see that it did, even around the shadows on the neck there. Let me back out a little bit. I don't want to turn it. I'm going to just try to back out. And I'm going to just decide to turn it. So there I have the image, and then I just tap on the image, and then I can remove the background, and it pops everything off right there, and it looks really, really quite good. I can click on the done, and there is the final image. I zoom in a little bit, you can see in the shadow area around the neck. I'm going to go back to the original, and you can see how that kind of played out. And then once it's removed, it does a really good job, which would have taken me a lot of time in Photoshop with a pencil to try to clean that up and make it look even close to that good. And it looks really, really good as we have it. Once we're done, we can, in the upper right-hand corner, we can click on the save, and it can be saved to images, and now it is saved to the camera roll, and it's ready to be used in a different application. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check out Adobe Express, but this is one of the neat ways you can use it to quickly remove the background from your image.